All right, let's do earth signs. Earth signs, mid-February messages. Earth is Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. So Capricorn mid-February. Isolation, confusion, and enlightenment. I feel like Capricorn energy. Let's do this again. Maybe something on your mind. Capricorn mid-February oracle card. Destiny. Maybe you need some clarity or some sign or something. Let's see. Capricorn mid-February message. What is the message for Capricorn this time around? It might be about how you feel, how you are feeling. Maybe something about your father figure, or your money, your figures, or your body, or how you feel about yourself. Capricorn, tell me what's going on. Recovery. Maybe you're trying to fix something or save something, alter something here. Maybe condition something, like mental conditioning. Maybe you're trying to think about something as if you're trying to come up with something. What is this? Recovery. I feel like you will figure it out. Something about an antidote, Capricorn, as if you will come with the truth, or you'll get to some type of conclusion here. Destiny. All right, let's see next energy. Let's do Taurus. Taurus mid-February oracle card message. Taurus mid-February. Taurus, we have destiny. I feel like you're going to experience a feeling of gratitude, something working out for you, something that you've always wanted, like you're going to get your hands on it, or you're realizing a dream come true, Taurus, or realizing you having some, as if you're about to realize that you have something that you set out to have, like something that you aspired for. And I feel like that is going to somehow make you not worry so much. Something you felt like that was not working out for you before, though, Taurus, in some way, shape, or form. You may have questioned in some way your ability, to be able to do this particular thing that you're going to be doing. But then now you're it's like you're taking a step back and you're giving yourself credit in some way, and you're appreciating yourself for achieving something that when you initially set out to achieve it, it felt like it was a mountain, uphill battle or whatnot, and now I feel like you are here. Is how I feel. Miracle. Taurus, you may be starting a company having something to do with teas or brews. Okay, and I love you. Let's see. Virgo. Recovery. Well, Virgo, maybe something wasn't going your way and it's about to start going your way now. I feel good vibes. Like you're feeling in flow, you're feeling connected, you're feeling in alignment. You're feeling like back on, like up and running, like you're feeling like yourself again, Virgo, someone that's out there, fun, sociable, vibrant, healthy, in a way, loving, mindful, giving. So you're gonna feel more like yourself again. I don't know what you are going through. You might be overcoming a cold or some type of depression, maybe financially, or maybe you were dealing with someone that sort of demotivated you, or it's just something you were going through. I feel like you are living again. Maybe you are finally connecting with something, someone, or a part of yourself, Virgo, and it feels good to you. So this is it. That is it for earth signs.